Hi, I'm with Mary Lee Johnson from Lee Travel down in Cork, and we're on our way to Istanbul on this fabulous Turkish Airlines jet and at 35,000 feet. Hi Mary.
Hi Jerry. We normally meet where? Ground level?
Well, we do, but
Yes.
I mean, you know, I follow you everywhere,
I
as you know.
We've met quite a few times in the last couple of weeks, I believe. Yes.
Absolutely. And are you having a great time on this flight?
Fabulous. In-flight service, excellent. Probably one of the best that I've experienced within the European routes in a long time. The food fantastic, the drinks, everything super. The in-flight entertainment, excellent. Absolutely, yeah, fantastic, yeah.
Great. So you think that when you get back to Dublin, hopefully after this trip to Istanbul...
Jerry, I have to correct you when I get back to Cork.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Mary.
The Kingdom,
Of
don't
course.
forget, down in Cork.
I meant that when the flight...
Absolutely.
I meant when the flight touches down in Dublin and then
Yes.
you make your way home to Cork.
Yes. Never been to Istanbul before, very first time. Did Turkey many years ago, absolutely loved it. Haven't had the chance to go back since then, and I'm really excited about going to Istanbul. I just have this mystic feel about Istanbul, and definitely when you go back it makes it much easier to sell a product when you go back once you've been to the
Sure.
destination. Yeah.
Great.
Love
Well,
it.
look, we look forward to seeing you over the weekend.
Yeah, we'll have great times.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Thanks, Mary.
Thank you.